The document window is where your images appear. You can open multiple windows to display different images or different views of the same one. If you want to arrange the windows, you can go to Window menu and select Arrange, and under that you can choose the following options. Cascade displays undocked windows stacked and cascading from the upper left to the lower right of the screen. The tile displays windows edge to edge. As you close images, the open windows are resized to fill the available space. Float in window allows images to float freely. Float all in windows floats all images. Consolidate all to tabs shows one image in full screen and minimize the other images to the tabs. You can create a new file now and use pen tool to select a portion of one of the images for your montage art. Remember to select path in the options bar, otherwise you will end up drawing a shape instead of creating a path around the image. If you left click and start drawing, the pen tool will create an anchor point with a sharp corner. Dragging and drawing with the pen tool will create a curve point. Continue drawing around the outline of the image. Once you are done, come back to the starting point and click once to close the path. You can use Convert Point tool and Direct Selection tool to reshape your selection. You can right click, make a selection, and you can also specify a feather radius to create a blurry or soft edge to your selection. Drag the selection with Move tool and place it onto your new file.